In this video, we will show you how to safely install a fixed power supply to your 4G onboard unit. This ensures a reliable connection for proper operation and helps you to avoid fines caused by a depleted battery. The following installation should only be performed by qualified personnel. Please note, for a safe installation, a 2 ampere fuse must be used. Remove the fuse box cover to access all electrical connections and cables. Next, cut off the cigarette lighter from the original onboard unit cable and route the cable into the fuse box. Ensure the cable is positioned safely out of the way. After that, pull the onboard unit cable through from up inside the fuse box at the back. Expose the 3 wires inside this cable and separate them. The colors of the wires are always the same. Black is ignition, brown is ground, and the plus wire is red. In some fixed installation cables, the red cable may be replaced by a blue one. Use the multimeter to locate the wire's connection points in the fuse box. All 3 wires of the cable must be properly hooked up to the respective connectors. This procedure may be different depending on the vehicle manufacturer. Secure the wires and cables neatly using tie wraps. Now close the fuse box, making sure that the wires are not squashed inside and there is no tension. Please note, when driving an ADR vehicle carrying dangerous goods, the onboard unit battery must be removed. However, for all other vehicles, the battery must remain in the battery compartment. The instructions for fixed installation can also be found on our website. For more information and any detailed questions that you may have, contact your supervisor or sales partner.